Hi, in today's video I'll show you how to apply for an IPO on Upstox. We'll open the Upstox app, log in. We'll go into the invest section over here, tap on view ongoing IPO. It's just a two-step process. Just create your IPO application and accept the UPI mandate. Right now there are 4 IPOs which are open: Sham Metallics, Sona Comstar, Kim's Hospitals and Dodla Dairy. You can see the application started on 16th, which is today, and it will end on 18th. You can tap on this view more to even see when it will be allotted on 25th and when it will be listed on 28th. So Dodla will be the company symbol when it's listed on the exchange, and one lot size of 35, and the price range is 421 to 428 rupees. You can even tap on IPO details to see more details like the issue size and a short description about the company and what they're going to do with the funds which are raised. Tap on apply. You can apply between 10 AM to 5 PM. First step will be to enter UPI ID, and these are the UPI handles accepted by Upstox. Investor type will remain individual because you're an individual investor. Coming to bid 1, number of lots, just one lot. So one lot is of 35 shares. You can put like 2 lots, so it will be multiples of 35. 3 lots will be 105 shares. Bid price, I'll put the lower price band, which was 421, and then you can add another bid from here. This is bid 2. Say this is just one lot, but at cutoff price. So you just click on this and I'll put the cutoff price. You can add up to 3 bids. Bid 1, 2 and 3. You can delete the bid from here. Delete bid. Delete bid. I'll just go with bid 1 with 2 lots but at cutoff price. And you need to take this terms and conditions. It's always best practice to apply at the cutoff price, because say you had put your bid price at the lower price band, which is 421 rupees, and later they finalize the price to be 422 rupees. So just because of that 1 rupee difference, your IPO application will get rejected. But when you apply at the cutoff price, that is the upper price range, that is 428 rupees here, and say they later finalize the price to still be 422 rupees, then you will be refunded the difference, that is 6 rupees per share over here. So your IPO application will always qualify irrespective of the price decided. Also, to improve your chance of getting allotted, say for 2 lots, instead of applying for both the lots from your account itself, apply for just one on your account and the other one on your family member's account, which is on their name. So just as a quick recap, first step, you'll enter your UPI ID. Investor type will remain individual, and you enter your number of lots and you do at cutoff price. Then we'll tap on continue. Now you can confirm your application, like this much amount will be payable, quantity is this much, and bid price is this much. Now I'll tap on confirm and apply, and the application is created. I can view the application from here. This is the application number, and you can even delete your application from here. If you scroll down, you can even see all the previous IPOs which you had applied for. You can even go into past IPOs and see all the IPOs which were there, in which duration from here. So after about 20 minutes, I have received the mandate request. I'm going to approve it. Going to authorize it. And that's it. The mandate has been created. I've even got a notification for it. Later, if I want to see all the mandates, I can tap on the profile picture over here and go into mandates. And in live mandates, it's showing that the Dodla mandate has been created. I can even go into pending or completed and see all the past mandates. On refreshing, the payment status has changed to accepted by investor. Now just as a quick recap, I'll show you the entire process from start. Open the Upstox app, log in, go into the Invest tab, view ongoing IPO. We'll go for Kim's Hospital, tap on apply, enter the UPI ID. Investor type is individual. In bid 1, I'm putting just one lot, that is 18 shares, and I'll apply at cutoff price. Terms and conditions ticked, continue. And this much amount will be blocked, this much quantity price, I'm going to confirm, and the application has been created. This is the application number, payment is pending. When I pay the mandate, it will get approved. We have received the mandate request, we'll approve it. I'm going to authorize it. And the mandate has been created. That's it. It's that simple. On refreshing, the payment status has changed to accepted by investor. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, do ask in the comment section.